Hi guys! Pag-aralan natin ang laws of exponent. Yung unang dalawang law pa lang to, ito yung zero property at saka yung negative property of exponent. For zero property, ang sinasabi lang dyan na all numbers raised to 0 is always equivalent to 1. So kahit gaano kalaking number yan, basta 0 ang kanyang exponent, 1 pa rin ang kanyang value. So 2 raised to 0 is 1, 15 raised to 0 is 1. For negative property, our formula is b raised to negative x. Kapag dinala mo siya sa denominator, then it becomes positive. So b raised to negative x magiging 1 over b raised to x. And on the other side, vice versa naman tayo, kung sa denominator negative ang exponent, magiging positive siya pagdating sa numerator. In this case, si 1 over b raised to negative x magiging b raised to x. So, halimbawa ito, 2 raised to negative 2. That will become 1 over 2 raised to 2. So, negative 2, magiging 2 na siya, or 1/4. Subukan natin to, x raised to negative 1 divided by y raised to 0 times x. So, x raised to negative 1 is the same as 1 over x divided by 1. Dahil y raised to 0 is 1 multiplied by x. 1x divided by 1 is 1x. Multiplied by x is x over x or equivalent to 1. Gets nyo ba?